Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you live from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio, Texas. Tonight, we're going to be making a delicious drink. We're going to be making you a spicy jalapeno mango sour. Okay guys, for tonight's ingredients, we're going to be using Titos vodka. We're going to be using a mango puree. We're going to be using some yummy jalapenos. We're also going to be using chamoy. We're going to be using some chamoy. We're also going to be using our chili powder. And we have some mango slices, as well as sour that's on our gun. I can't put that on the counter. Does that look better? All right. Those are ingredients for tonight's drinks. Let's get started making it. Okay guys, now to start making this drink, first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab one glass. We're going to bring in our little container here. We're going to put some chamoy, just like that. I've already pre-cut up some limes so we can put the chamoy on the glass. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the lime chamoy like this. What we're going to do is we're going to go all the way around the glass. Your fingers will get limey and chamoy-y, if that is a wordy. Okay, here we go. Go ahead and move this out of the way. We're going to bring in our chili powder. Okay, take a spoon. Go ahead and drizzle this all over where you put the chamoy. See how it coats the glass? That is delicious. Okay, I'm going to put this off to the side. Now, we're going to bring in our jalapenos. Okay, clean off my spoon here. Now this is where we have a little bit of fun with this. We're going to put a little bit of ice, a little more ice. Now we're going to grab some jalapenos out of here. Okay, we're going to put these on the edge of our glass, just like that. Okay, just like that. Could be a little bit more ice. And they all kind of went in. Still looks good. Grab some more. I'm going to drizzle down the side of the ice. These are going to be for nice little crunchy jalapenos as you're drinking this down. Okay, now we got that. Now just like that, our glass is prepped. We're going to set this off to the side. Now, grab another pint glass. Fill that with ice. Okay, for our first ingredient, we're going to do 1 3/4 ounces of Titos. Okay, we're going to follow that by 1/2 ounce of the mango puree. Maybe 3/4, there we go. All right, and then what we're also going to do is with the jalapeno juice, we're going to do about 1/2 ounce, just like that. Get plenty on the mat, tastes better. Okay, we're going to fill this with sour, just like that. Now what you want to do is we want to shake this really good. We want to mix it up real good. Okay, break that free. We're going to bring over our original glass. Use a strainer. Strain this on top. Oh my God, you can smell that between the mango and the jalapeno. Oh, if you guys love spicy drinks, you're going to love that. Then what we're going to do is we got some nice dried out mango chunks for the side. Put that on the side. There you go. Okay, grab us a straw. All right, guys. And that right there, guys, is our spicy jalapeno mango sour. like you guys should try this at home. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed making the spicy jalapeno mango sour. You guys got to try this at home. Tell me what you think of it. Next time you come in the bar, we'd love to make this for you. We could also make you a shot version. Till our next video, guys. I'll see you then.